In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to write prompts for Suno AI. So let's get started. So here we are in Suno, and from here, you want to go here into the Create section or feature on the left menu. You should see Create here, click on it, and then from here, you want to go into Simple mode. In this way, you would have the prompt box right here where you can write in your prompt, instead of going for custom where you can only have the lyrics, styles, and so on. So once you're here, you can now type out your prompt in here as you like. So I have a prompt in here that I will just paste right here. So I like to build my prompt like this. So you could also go and expand this box right here. If you'd want to, just like that, you can drag this so that you can see your prompt better if there's a lot into it. And basically, the reason why I built it like this is because I included the specific genre and style. So by saying lo-fi hip-hop immediately guides Suno toward the right sound palette. So if you just said make music, then the result could be random. Also, clear instrumentation. So mentioning the piano chords right here, mellow beats, vinyl crackle gives the AI concrete building blocks on what I would want to be included in the audio. So without instruments, the track might feel generic. And I included the mood and purpose, so adding nostalgic and calming, perfect for a late night study session. Tell Suno not just what to make, but why. This ensures that the vibe matches the intended use. And the extra textures in here, so basically just ambient backgrounds just to help Suno AI make the track feel polished and immersive. So those are the things that I keep in mind when I'm building a prompt here in Suno. You could also use that as a guide when you are building your prompt in here. And now, once you're ready with your prompt, you can now click here on Create, and it will now be processed and created by Suno AI. Now you can preview it and make changes if needed. And that's how you'd be able to write prompt in Suno AI.